Alright, hi guys, so this is going to be a collaboration with me and Tara Nicole. Stop it, Mila's barking at me. With Tara Nicole. She's absolutely talented. Her channel she has variety on her channel. That's what I love about her. And thank you so much, Tara. I know it's been a long time coming, guys. She's been really patient with me, and I thank her so much. So the look we're doing is like a sea, look like an oceanic, looks like blues, greens, purples, you know how we dizzle. So yeah, let's just jump right into it. Please don't forget to check out Tara's channel in the description bar below. This is my Your True Shade foundation, and I believe this is in 106. Yes, it's in 106, I believe. Or is it 108? I think it's 108. No, this is in 108. 106 was too light for me. Yes, so this is in 108 for my Your True Shade foundation. My hair was... Oh my god, I have hiccup. My hair was styled by Tosan. Her shop is at Hillside Plaza here in Portmore. It's called The Hair Vibes. So yeah, I'm just get a shout out because I'm not lying. My finger wave them lay down and them sit down and be things them properly. Alright, so just buffing in my Your True Shade all over. Then I'm going in with my Nars, what is the name? Radiant Concealer in Amande, A-M-A-N-D-E, Amande, and I'm just highlighting everywhere else that you wanted to highlight, like under my eye, my forehead, you know how we dizzle. I want to set the time out again just to thank Tara for being patient with me. You guys have no idea the struggle it was to get this video up. This should have been up months ago, and I'm just now getting around to it, and I'm glad that she's been so... Look at how that just blends in seamlessly with the Your True Shade foundation. It's gorgeous. But anyway, her patience, it really means a lot to me. Mama, thank you so much. You know, she's been going through, I've been going through, and we still managed to pull through with these tutorials. And please check her channel out, you guys. She's really worth it. I'm going in back with the brush that I used to do my foundation, and I'm going over the edges. You see how I'm just blending out the edges there, just where the concealer meets the foundation. That's just where I'm blending out, or where the concealer ends, rather. Sorry. So where the concealer ends, that's where I'm just blending out, so that everything just meshes well, so that when I put the powder on it, it sets it properly and it doesn't set my mistakes. So this is my Your True Shade... Jonathan. This is my Your True Shade powder foundation in 106. I use this to the highlight, and this foundation for highlight is really good. I will say this about Your True Shade: they photograph really nicely. I mean, you guys can see for yourself. I love the way how they photograph. And this brush that I'm using, it's a Sidonian brush. It's like an angled brush, but it's very fluffy. I love how it deposits this color. Look at how it looks. Oh, love this 106 powder. Very nice. So anyway, so I'm just putting this 106 powder every single where that I placed Amande. So I'm setting. Whenever I do your makeup, I don't know how it is in like wherever you're from. Maybe it snows there or it's really cold there. I don't need to set your makeup. But where I'm from, Jamaica, land we love, Jamaica, boom, yeah. Where I'm from, I have to set my foundation. Ooh, now I'm going with my Shades by Gal contour palette. Look at how it just sits on my skin like what? Butter, honey. I love my Shades by Gal. And it's owned by a Jamaican. Shades by Gal is a Jamaican-owned company. Your True Shade is a Jamaican-owned company. I am not sure about Nars. I don't very well think that's Jamaican-owned, but you know. Gotta rep my girls. So I'm just putting my Your True Shade powder everywhere else. Notice that my Shades by Gal foundation powder everywhere else. Notice that the Your True Shade foundation, however, did not cover all my imperfections. Now normally I'll be very anal about that, but lately I really don't mind that my spots are showing. I don't know if that's maturity, stupidity, or laziness, but I don't mind. So I'm going in with the 106 from Your True Shade that I used to set, and I'm going in and I'm putting down some catch powder because I'll be working with my Juvia's Place palettes today, and this is where I'm gonna make the music move you. Tara, my love, thank you for collabing with me. Please, I implore you, check out Tara's channel, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Mwah! Big up on a selfie.
Captivity. No, I don't think that's liberty. So I need freedom, spiritually. Free I need, free I need, free I need to be I need to be free. Can't bother with the war and the crime. Can't bother you but mind me for mine. Can't bother every time when me try to step up in on the line. You pull me down as me climb. Can't bother with the seats and the lies. Me own a friend want me meet me demise. Can't bother when the gun them arise and people are dead. Me can't sleep in my bed. Can't bother for you run from police. Can't bother with the war and no peace. Can't bother call me live out of east. Me can't go away from the wood and be a disease. Can't bother for you live behind bars. Like me freedom the way behind bars. Me try to move forward, but it's like say me stuck in a traffic or me lay behind cars.
Free I need, free I need, free I need to be free, yeah. Free I need, free I need, free I need to be free. They say that we are free, but I'm still searching for my freedom. It's not working. Although you see me smiling, I'm still hurting, yeah. Free I need, free I need, free I need to be free. I need to be free. I need to be free.
Can't bother for living in poverty. Can't bother me not even have a key. Not even for a piece of jalapeno or a little load pan a piece of property. Can't bother when I meet the camp of pray. Like say them want beat me with my country. Can't bother cause there's not a day we pass and me no feel like say me like away. Can't bother for your work like a slave. Friday come and me no get a proper pay. Can't bother cause there's not a day we pass and me no feel like we find another way. Can't bother for you live behind bars. Me freedom the way behind Nars. Me trying to move forward, but it's like say me stuck in a traffic and me dey behind cars. I say free I need, free I need, free I need to be, I need to be free. Free I need, free I need, free I need to be free. And I say only for stuff we need to be free from. Free from mental slavery. Free from all this crime and violence. Free from sin. And all these things. Now I mean, I wanna be free. Free I need, free I need, free I need to be free. Cause I wanna be free. Wanna be free. I wanna be free. Free I need to be free. Cause I wanna be free. Me shield and me banner. Jesus Christ, who me give all the praise and all the honor. I your boy D.A.JAY though. Alright. Hey, Jesus and me shield and my banner. Every day me have to give the most high honor. Inna the ear when me left and me right honor. Give him praise cause Jesus serve. You are Christ and me shield and my banner. Every day me have to give the most high honor. Inna the ear when me left and me right honor. Give him praise Cause you are from Genesis to Revelation. Get your education, I know no fi stay strong. Here when me a one, do no follow Satan, the rock on no fi stay pan. Be a say Jamaican again, no fi ban. We no want no botheration, don't in a the nation, no make it be too late. And when you ready, him gone, so come meet the Lord and shake hand. Yeah, with the great one, super without a cape, and come sing a psalm, hey. Jesus Christ, I'm a shield on my banner. Every day me have to give the most high honor. Inna the ear when me live for me right honor. Give him praise, cause Jesus save. You are Christ, I'm a shield on my banner. Inna the ear when me live for me right honor. Every day me have to give the most high honor. Give him praise, cause Jesus. Let me tell you about Jehovah. Full me cup like turn over. So me no afraid of ya. Neither uno oil, I uno soda, uno cannot come over. As long as me soda, me blessing them a pile. Satan, why you murder? Eat you like a burger, make you post with the herb. Puff, puff, pass, and you have the nerve. I make him be all your server. No, and where you heard that he make enough laugh, hey. Christ and me shield on my banner. Every day me have to give the most high honor. In a ear you me live for me right honor. Give him praise God.